Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Xiaomi. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down, choose passwords and security, click on screen lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern, pin or password. Click on the best one for you, wait 5 seconds and choose not now, or got it, in the pop-up. If you wish to continue, you need to wait and select got it. Now enter your login methods and repeat it. When you're ready, select confirm at the bottom right corner and add your fingerprint by tapping on add if you wish to. I don't, so I will go with cancel, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, as you can see pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!